Hello students, today we are going to learn sound of A. Children, I will speak first and after that you will repeat. Let's start now. First, sound of A-T. M-A-T mat, B-A-T bat, C-A-T cat, H-A-T hat, R-A-T rat. A-B sound word. C-A-B cab, D-A-B dab, N-A-B nab, T-A-B tab, L-A-B lab. Then A-P sound word. C-A-P cap, G-A-P gap, M-A-P map, T-A-P tap, R-A-P rap. Then A-D sound word. B-A-D bad, D-A-D dad, H-A-D had, S-A-D sad, M-A-D mad. Then AM sound word. B-A-M bam, D-A-M dam, H-A-M ham, J-A-M jam, R-A-M ram. Then A-N sound word. B-A-N ban, C-A-N can, F-A-N fan, M-A-N man, P-A-N pan. Then A-G sound word. B-A-G bag, S-A-G sag, T-A-G tag, W-A-G wag, N-A-G nag. And the last and final A-X. F-A-X fax, W-A-X wax, T-A-X tax, M-A-X max, L-A-X lax. Thank you.